My name is Michael Dean. I am a present Chief Deputy Prosecutor for Union County, which is a small rural county in Indiana, eastern Indiana. I've been Chief Deputy for 1 year. Prior to that, I was at the prosecutor's office in Wayne County, also in eastern Indiana, a little less rural, where I was a prosecutor for about 2 years and as deputy. And prior to that, I served for about 3 years as a public defender, also in Wayne County, handling felony cases from theft to homicide. I think as a small county rural prosecutor and semi-rural public defender or practitioner, we live largely in what my boss, the elected prosecutor right now, what he would call our fish bowls, right? We live in our own little legal environments in our little niches in our counties within the entire country, and we're dealing with things at the state level which are important to the people where we live. And some of those times, on occasion, those go up and end up being federal issues or federal cases and maybe eventually come to be some kind of controlling law that influences the country, but it's rare. The ABA allows for somebody like myself who only is exposed to the legal system of my fishbowl to be a part of the national conversation of criminal law. It allows me to get influenced or influence things that are occurring that are the big legal debate, hot button issues. Racial diversity in the practice, police and community relations, body cameras. These are some of the things that are important right now. These are hot topics. And you don't get an opportunity to really have a large voice in the debate without being a part of something like this. And for a young lawyer, I mean, if you have a passion and it's not just I want to be able to say I was in the American Bar Association when I apply for my next job. If you're really motivated to do something and you want to feel like you're being a part of that, this gives you that opportunity. And the ABA, the criminal justice section, really embraces that. They want young attorneys in here. We need to, I mean, eventually leaders are going to leave. We're going to have to replace them. And it starts with young attorneys and getting them involved, getting them the leadership experience, and getting them prepared to take leadership positions within the American Bar Association that they then, a few times a year when they step away from their jobs and they come to the meetings, they're able to do that big picture work. I feel that if you're a young attorney and you have the energy and the desire to really be involved, you'll find opportunities. And right now, a lot of our initiatives are outward reaching, and if we could get some kind of message out, nationally to law students who are about to graduate, or even law students who aren't about to graduate, or young practitioners that feel welcome to contact us, we're happy to return those emails and those phone calls or what have you and try to get them connected and to do an active work.